In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move Smartsheet into a folder. Managing your files effectively is crucial for staying organized and ensuring easy access to your documents and reports in Smartsheet. Let's walk through a simple process that will help you organize your Smartsheet items efficiently. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Browse section from the navigation bar located on the left-hand side of your Smartsheet interface. This area is your command center for accessing all your files and folders. It provides an overview of your existing workspace, where everything you're working on is categorized and stored. Once you're in the Browse section, take a moment to locate the item you're planning to organize. This could be a sheet, a report, or any other document you have saved within Smartsheet. Identifying the file you need is the first step towards organizing your workspace more effectively. With your target item in sight, it's time to move it. You'll do this by using the drag and drop feature. Click on the item with your mouse or trackpad, and while holding the click, begin to drag the item towards the folder you wish to move it into. It's very similar to how you might drag a file from one location to another on your desktop. Before you release, make sure you're hovering over the correct folder in the workspace's folder hierarchy. The folder hierarchy is a structured way Smartsheet organizes your files. By placing your item in the right spot here, you can streamline your workflow, ensuring that things are easy to find when you need them. Once you've confirmed you're over the desired destination, simply drop your item by releasing the mouse or trackpad button. Voila! Your item is now within the target folder. It's important to note that moving your items like this will not affect user access. The people who have permissions to view or edit this item will retain their permissions, making this process not only seamless, but also secure and inclusive. This method of organization supports productivity by allowing you to sort your files in such a way that matches your working style. As you become more familiar with these actions, navigating your workspace and locating documents should become second nature. This simplicity of movement and organization can make it easier to manage larger volumes of work. And there you have it, an easy, effective technique for keeping your Smartsheet environment tidy and intuitive. You can use this simple yet powerful approach to stay organized and maintain a more efficient workflow, ensuring your projects are always at your fingertips. Thanks for watching, and remember, efficient organization is key to effective project management.